Welcome. In this lesson, we are going to learn HTML table. HTML table is used to display data in a row and in columns, as you can see in this project, just like a spreadsheet. And by the way, this is the project we are going to make or to build at the end of this lesson. Let's start. We are going to start with HTML boilerplate. We start this, then let's give a title of HTML table. Then we look what is a HTML table by typing table tag. And that table tag we have table row tr. In table row we include or we type th, means table header. We type header 1, and down again table th. This is header 2. You can see here, let's try to, yes, they are here, you can see on the browser. Then we're going down to, we put the data. We start by using table row. As you can see, this is the table row here. Then again we use table row to put data. Then we use td. td means table data. We type data 1. Again we use this, this is td data 2. So yeah, you can see here that is header and the data there, table header and table data. Let's go on. We update this one by making just a simple table, which is we're going to call it, give it a title of maybe let's say student. No, let's use just simple table. Yes. Then we are going to update this table by using border. We give it to 1. You can see now our table is it has border. You can see borders. Let's keep again updating our maybe our header by saying at this moment we're going just to use real names we know we have instead of using table 2, and maybe let's say edge. Yes, I want to start with the capital, and here let's say name, that this can be more understandable. Let's just use here John. John has 23 years old. Here, wait for me to close this. Yes. Then again, TD. Maybe she says maybe she lives in Canada. Maybe that's like this. Again, we can also instead of typing, let's just duplicate this. Sorry, let's duplicate this. Can duplicate this a bit. This one, yeah, you can see here we call Smith Smith has maybe 34 years. Maybe she stays in USA. Just like this, you can see here how the table is done. Our table now is updated very well. Let's again see how you can merge columns. To merge column, we can come here on TD and we say column span. Let's give it 2. You can see here, John here, it has merged, it has pushed this on right side, then under the edge, you can see, as you can see here, it has created its space. Now it is a giant in table. And again, let's use like we also see how to merge rows, since we have just seen how to merge this. Let's add this this table, this row, and actually we use row span. We also use 2. It is not sitting well, but it's okay. Let's not apply on this. Let's actually apply it on this. This is how it has merged the rows. Here it has merged rows. That's how you can merge it. Then let's use maybe on Canada here. We say I don't know. We come here on Smith. See how we use this. You can see that here, John, on John cells we have used a row span, but here on Smith we have used column span. Sorry, column span. Yes, column span. That's it. Now we are now going to update. We use again other tags for table. We say here we update our table by saying this is T head. You can see here. Then we let's just cut this out. We just put it here. Actually, this T head, which is this one, I don't know if this is really seen well. Just want to zoom it a bit. No, I'm zooming this. Yes, at least now. This T head, it means table header section. This is table header section. Then if you want to make here in body, we also had another tag, we call it T body, this one, T body. Again, you make it like this. You can see the body. Again, since we are using this, we can see how we can make our table very well. This is the tags we use for tables. We can also, if you want to, you can also change some. Let me move this. We can also change some rows color, as you can say, big background color. Maybe you can call it red. You can see on Smith it is red. Or again, you can also maybe come on edge, the edge. You can also say width. maybe you can give it 150. You can see how here on display on browser how it is looking. That is what we have. That is the how we make table. That is the all the tags that makes our table. Now let's now do our last project, which is this one. We shall also use. Here we're going to use some CSS so that it can be nice as you are seeing it. Let me just remove this. I start from scratch. Let's see this one here. This one. Oh, yes. I just want to start this one. Here I have somewhere here I've used this to save time. I'm going to copy and paste instead of start from down. It's just use this one like here. Yeah, that's it. You can see here. Then we are going to say table, then no, sorry, I just want, yeah, but it's okay. Head, then this th, I want to include them here to speed now, and so this, then I just want to this, and here I want to say ID, name, course, then grade. After this is yes, they are here. You can see them after here where we are just going to say T body, this one. Then we just start our T row. So a bit here, I've just realized that I forgot T row, which is this one. I had to make it very clear so that you guys can understand this very well. This because they have to be on row. That's why I've added this tr what I was forgotten before. Now I go to td. I give it 1. TD again, then TD it is maybe jump door. The next one will be TD web development. Yeah, now last one is going to be TD A. Is that A? No. A like this. So the others, I'm going to try to copy this quickly to save time, guys. Yeah, this one has to be here. So this one also have to be here. Then this is 2. Maybe Alice Smith. Okay. This one I want to make them to be on the same line, and then here this is maybe data. Why? Science. Maybe here as B plus. What is B plus? Yes. This one is a 3. And this was going to be Michael. Maybe gave this Chinese name, which is Michael Lee. Then maybe he's doing cyber security. then this script it has ABA minus. That's it. So this is, guys, the one we have done so far. Now we are going to try to update with some CSS here. Let's have the CSS. That's it. And the CSS we're going to apply here. We're going to first start targeting body. Let's font family. Okay, like this. And I'm going to use the background again. Background, which is this one. This one has changed, effective, then padding of 20 pixels. I've used this, and I also target H2, which is this one. The target text align center. Now the next, it is table. I'm going to width of 80 pixels. It's actually it is percent. It's this one, yes. Then margin auto margin. Then border. Let me check this border. Yep, it's okay. Border. This one collapse, of course. Then the last one, it's background here, which is white. Yes. Background white, and then box. Yes, use this box shadow. Box shadow. Then another thing again, we are targeting. I'm going to use TH. TH is going to be background. Just use this one. TH background. It is going to be this one. You can see that has not worked well. Then the background. Then color is going to be white. Yes. Color is going to be white. Then the next thing we are targeting is TH again, TH and the TD. TH and TD. Padding is 12, and the border, I'll type border here, just be like this. Then text align center, you can see, guys. Then the last one we're going to target, it is TR. Then we're going to hover. Then that's it. Then the last one is this background. I'm going to use here when we hover. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. This is our last project. You have seen how you can make your table. You can even to use it in different way, as long as it can fetch, or you can display the way you want your table to look, your page to look, in whatever way you want design. So thank you very much. Please, guys, give it